Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an office tour. So I wanted to real quickly kind of go ahead and show you guys what my office looks like because Brandon and I are actually going to be switching rooms. So this room that my office is in right now is actually going to be our bedroom, and then we're going to be switching our bedroom to be my office, if that makes sense. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. All right, we got little Tinsley in there, but this is what it looks like as you're walking in. Here's a quick little overview of everything. Let me shut the door because you will definitely hear Brandon talking. This is just a quick little overview, and we're going to start right here. So this is the bedroom door. I have this picture frame right here. This is actually from TJ Maxx, I believe, and it just says "She Laughs," which is from the Proverbs 31:25, which is actually what I have tattooed on my arm right here. So definitely one of my favorite Bible verses ever. So then this is the closet right here. I painted everything white. The whole entire room is white. In that closet, I just keep like my ring light, and then I have some tubs with like my craft supplies and stuff in there. But that's what I keep in there. I have these, my mom bought them from Hobby Lobby. I know that they were on clearance. But they're just like these little eyeballs with like lashes, super cute. I spray painted them that gray color, and it turned out, gray color, that gold color, super cute, love them. I know you can find them at Five Below, like much smaller, and they're kind of like a lot more like cheaper made, but you kind of get like the same look if you guys are wanting something like that. But they were black, but like I said, I spray painted them gold like that. And then I just have my Alex drawers right here, and that is full with all of my makeup. And then I have this little like, it's not a devotional, but kind of, some of them are Bible verses. Some of them just say different things. It just kind of depends. And of course, as I'm going through it, like every single one's a Bible verse, but some of them have like little sayings and stuff on it. But I have that right there, and I bought that from Amazon. Then I have this picture frame with a picture of me and Brandon in it, and I bought the picture frame from TJ Maxx. Then I have this little crate. It's like a metal crate. It was black. I bought it from Walmart, and I spray painted it gold, and it holds all of my oh my goodness, and this just holds all of my eyeshadow palettes. But those are my Alex drawers, and that has all of my makeup in there. Then moving on to this desk, so it's gonna look super bare because I normally have my work computer on there, but because we're switching rooms, I went ahead and moved my work computer out of here. And before, of course, I filmed this video, because I completely forgot that I was going to be filming this video. So I had already moved my computer, but that's what went on there. I had like 2 monitors and like a keyboard on there, but super cute. This is the same dresser that I had at my parents' house. I just repainted it white, and I switched the knobs on there to be more gold, and then I actually put like contact paper down on it, and that's what the marble is. Super cute, really cute and adorable, because it was definitely all dinged up because I've had it for years. It was my dresser from like whenever I was like 8 years old. We bought it from like a yard sale, and it has held up so stinking well. And then as for that chair, I bought that off of Amazon, and it's pretty comfortable. It's not bad. I definitely wish I wouldn't have bought white because it gets so dirty so fast. And then I just have my laptop sitting here just so that this desk is not completely bare. So then I have these 3 little prints here that I printed out myself, and then I got the picture frames from Walmart, and then I spray painted the little frame around it gold, which I'm actually going to be getting rid of these because the paint literally chips off like crazy. It's crazy. But the first one says, "The only time I set the bar low is for limbo," and then it's a quote from Michael Scott from The Office. Then we own our own future, Dean Winchester, which is from Supernatural. And then this one says, "I survived because the fire inside me burned brighter than the fire around me," which is Daenerys Targaryen from Game of Thrones. And as you can see, these, like, I don't know what it is, but they will scratch up the wall so freaking bad. There's so much like going on the back of it. There's so many different ways to hang it. And so whenever you go to hang it, it literally scratches up the entire wall. It's crazy, but super cute. Just printed those off myself and then put those in that frame. All right, and then next to my desk, I just have this trash can from TJ Maxx. I think it was like on sale or on clearance, and so it was pretty cheap. And then I just have this mirror right here. I bought this mirror from TJ Maxx as well, and it was actually white, and then I painted it, like I spray painted it gold, but I do not like the way it looks gold. I hate the way it looks, because whenever you spray paint anything with this kind of like metallic spray paint, it like just, I don't know. There's some spots that will like take the paint better than others. As you can see, that spot's pretty bad. And so it just comes out, it never comes out even no matter how many coats you do, and it always looks so weird. So I'm probably going to be actually repainting this more than likely white, because I hate the way it looks. So then above it, I have this decal that is, I can't remember where this is from, but I will link it down below. And it just says, "You're like really pretty," which is from Mean Girls, obviously. But love the mirror, just, I'm gonna repaint it because I hate that. So then I have 3 windows here, and I just have this little chair. This was actually left here from the previous owners. It was actually downstairs, but I thought it just went so well with the overall room that I kept it up here. And I just have this pillow. I have no idea where this pillow came from. I've had it for years. And then the blanket, it has lashes and lipstick on it, which just so happens to also be in like that gold color. And I bought that from JCPenney's. So then next up, I have this crate right here that I spray painted gold. I'm definitely gonna get rid of this because I hate the way it looks, but I just needed something to put next to the chair because it looked weird without something. And then I have, I bought the little vase from Target, I think, like so many years ago. And the flowers are actually my bouquet from my friend Miranna's wedding that I was in. So that's what we got going on there. It's a little sentimental thing. Then next I have this cute little rug that I also got from Amazon. And then Tinsley's little dog bed. I can't remember where I got this one from. Maybe TJ Maxx, I'm not sure. And then I have this little area, which is her little area. So I have a little paw print that was black, I think, from Hobby Lobby. Spray painted it gold. I have the tea, which I spray painted gold. Then I got this black frame from the Dollar Tree and also spray painted it gold. And then I tried to do her paw print in pink and glitter. First, I just tried to do the pink and it turned out crazy. So I just put a little bit of glitter on it. I was like, good enough. But again, the paint is chipping off away on that stuff. So yeah, but that's her little section. Super duper cute, love it. Then I have this dresser. This is the same dresser. And of course, this is off. Whatever, I'm not gonna fix it, just ignore it. The tea. This is the same dresser that I had at my parents' house. It was my childhood dresser. I've literally had it for as long as I can remember. Super cute. I just repainted it white again, and then I spray painted the knobs gold. Then I have my printer there. I have my Google Home, a picture of me, my brother, and then my brother's girlfriend Cheyenne. And then I have this one here with Briley, Kay, and myself, which Briley's kind of cut off a little bit. But this was just, I think, a pink picture frame, and I just spray painted it gold, and then I took like a paper towel and I just kind of made like that texture and stuff on it. Okay, why am I out of breath? It's because I'm so out of shape. Lord, okay. So then I got this print with the frame from Hobby Lobby, and I just took and spray painted the like outer frame. But again, it's peeling off, so I'm going to have to redo it in something else. But it was white, and I thought like being in a room that was all white, it would look weird, and it did look super strange, but now I regret spray painting it because again, it has like that weird little look to it. So I'm just gonna be repainting it. Probably like a gold color, but I'm not gonna be using spray paint. All right, so then I have this big, huge, long like cabinet thing. This actually came from our bathroom, but it really closed off our bathroom. So we ended up moving it, and we moved it in here, and then I repainted it and made it like more of a white that matches this room. And then I changed the knobs on it because it was like this antique-y brown color, made them gold. And I just keep all of my like skincare stuff in here, and then I have like my makeup bags, and then I have, that's like a brush kit that I use if I do like any kind of freelancing. And yeah, so I just have it all organized. Then I have my hair care stuff that I like will frequently, not like frequently use, but like will occasionally like come in here and get. And then that's just like new makeup, or not new makeup. And then this is like all new hair care, and then like some like skincare products that won't fit in my other drawers. And then that is just something that I put in here because I didn't want to clean it up. So yeah, that's that. And then this is my little vanity setup that we got going on right here. So this was from TJ Maxx. It's like 15 bucks and it's so freaking cute, and it went like literally perfectly with this room. This is actually kind of what I'm basing the new room off of that I'm moving into. So basically I think I'm either gonna do like a gray color on the walls with a white trim, or maybe like a taupey color, but that's kind of what I'm going with. Those are like the overall colors. All right, so then I have this mirror. This was black and it was in my old room at my parents' house, but I spray painted it gold and now it's in here and it looks perfectly. It used to be my parents like years and years and years and years ago. It like came on like their actual, like on a vanity, and they gave it to me. So they passed it down to me. And then I have this little desk right here, and this was from Amazon. The legs were like a brown wood color and it was like really ugly. So I spray painted those gold. And on here I have this mirror that Brandon got me. It's one of the like Simple Human mirrors. Awesome. It definitely points out your flaws though. Then I got these two picture frames. I cannot remember where I got those from. And then I got that picture frame, I think from TJ Maxx. It's just a candle from Kirkland's. And then this is like a little, it's meant to hold like pencils and stuff, but I got it for my brushes, and I got that from TJ Maxx. And also this desk has like this little, little plug-in so that you can like charge your phone and stuff. And then as for this, okay. So whenever I got this desk in the mail, it came damaged. And so I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Maybe, yeah, you're not gonna be able to tell, but it came damaged. And so this part right here, there's like a piece of wood that was like missing right there. So I was like, all right, I'm just going to put some contact paper over it and you won't be able to tell. Because in order for me to like get a new one, I would have to ship this one back, and it was just gonna be this big, huge, long process, and I was gonna have to pay for like shipping and all that. So I'm like, whatever, I'm gonna make it work. And then for the little chair, I got that from Amazon as well. Brandon actually got that for me as a gift because he's the sweetest ever. And then I just have a little, I have a map here, and I was going to hang this on the wall somewhere, but I literally had no idea where to hang it. So it'll probably go in the new room. But, oh yeah, and I forgot this rug. This rug right here is from Amazon as well. It was under $100, but I do not recommend it because it literally collects everything. And no matter how many times you freaking vacuum it, like there's little particles that will get like deep matted in there, and it's so hard to get them off. You literally have to like pick them off by hand because they get matted in like the rug material. It's so weird. But that is it for this little office tour. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned because I am going to be filming a video of basically the new little office. Not whenever it's finished, I'm gonna kind of film a video of me creating it, painting and doing all of that good stuff. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Stay tuned for that. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.